Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Habakaren halor ka Jingthoh environmental clearance ka Star Cement. Ban penyar ya ka Jingklong mau jongka habri cernon. UMP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat Uma Vincent H. Pala ulaong bakaladon ka jing persyang hadu laisin ban penlong ya ka public hearing halor ka ni ka kam hanrei amshim lala ban penlong namar baka mi ka huri hura hanrei ulaong bakadon ka anpat kabaong balada pila dep persyang hanrei amla ban penlong nakadaw ka jingsha penthut kipat ba kila ban penpau ya ka jing sngo jongki Lyngba ka Jingthoh bat ka ministry ka badai pait kan bishar halor ka Jingthoh ya kata ka kam uba pala ulaong bahadin bala yoi ya ka khubor ula phone sha ka ministry jong ka tanat forest and environment sha Delhi bala pentip yu babon ki bakershan ya ka Jingkwa jong ka Star Cement Lyngba ka Jingthoh bakila pha sha ka ka tanat bat dei na kata ka daw ka ministry kala ay ya ka clearance uba pala ulo ongru baka Star Cement kamdei ka company ka bathamai hangni hanrei ka dei ka company ka bala rim ka bala sedang ya ka kam hangni da ka ba pendut hadu 8,000 kelur tengka bat ka Jingkwa clearance jongka menta ka longtang ban penyar khendiat ya ka Jingklong mau khendiat million ton.
I think the Star Cement they attempted to conduct a public hearing for 3 times. And then since 3 times they could not get it because there's a law that if you attempt to conduct the public hearing and if there's a disturbance in the public hearing, then public can give in writing also. So what I saw in the CD also through some social media, during that day there's lots of stone pelting and all, then some of the police also injured. So I think the government of India has taken all those because when there's a public hearing, you have to send all those to the DC who conducted the public hearing is only conducting it and then send all the CD to the Environment Ministry and they will examine it there and the expert will examine and check what it is. So as far as I came to know, I also when I saw on the news, so I called the ministry in Delhi. They said that majority of people who have given in writing. Some people can express verbally, some people also have given writing. Majority people who came for the hearing because they have taken their names and all during the hearing. So they could not express their views because there was a problem. So they have given in writing that yes, we agree with it. So if majority of them agree with it, I think based on that only they took a decision. As far as I know, what I had a talk with the officials in Delhi, they said because of that reason they give the public, they give the clearance. It's not supposed to be violent. Whatever people wants, they should, one by one should come and if you oppose also, you express with your views. And if you support also, you express with your views. So why this thing happened? Because there was a violence. So the people who wanted to share their views to support it, they didn't get a chance. Whereas even those people who want to oppose it also, they didn't get a chance. So if we want it to be fair, and whoever come to oppose it, there should not be a violent. I think the government has taken a decision because there was a violence, and not only once, twice, it's thrice. So that's why I think they have taken a decision. That's what I understand when I talk with the officials in the Ministry of Environment in Delhi. Star Cement is not a new factory. It's an old. It's only try to enhance the capacity. So I think the state government already supported the Star Cement for the last 10 years. So I think that definitely the state government will support it because that's why they conducted the hearing. So it's not a new one. It's only they want to expand for a few, I think, million tons only. So it's not a new one. So based on that, definitely state government also did support it, and it gave them a license because they supported it. But different agencies from forest, environment, and from pollution, I think from the first time, not only this time, for the first time when the company set up its factory, they might have got all the clearances out there. I don't know how will such a big company investment of 2,000 crores. Star Cement has invested here not less than 2,000 crores entire project. So such a big company without getting all those clearances, so I don't think they would have invested. They might have got all those clearances and all because different authority are supposed to give all those clearances. I think that's why they got it.